Beyond the city's heart, beside Sumpung Central School, lies the vast green sanctuary of Bukidnon Forest, Incorporated, a model of sustainability and harmony between man and nature. Every tree nurtured here is a promise of a cleaner, greener, and stronger future for generations to come. Here are the lies experimental forests that grows different type of trees that are protected.
Here, culture's breathes through creativity. Malaybalay's love for folk arts reflects the soul of its people, expressive, colorful, and deeply rooted in heritage.
At the Capitol grounds, the set of governance stands proud. More than just offices, it's a vibrant hub where people come together. Families stroll across its green lawns. Friends gather under the trees, and events bring the community to life. A symbol of unity, progress, and the enduring spirit of Malaybalay.
On the serene hills of San Jose stands the Monastery of Transfiguration, a landmark of faith, simplicity, and reflection. Its distinctive pyramid-shaped church, designed to mirror the beauty of nature, and draws travelers seeking peace. Here is silence and prayer, cultivating harmony and the land around them. The calm breeze, the golden fields, and the quiet hum of nature remind every visitor to slow down, to take a breath, to listen, and to rediscover a sense of stillness within. In this sacred place, time feels suspended.
Just nearby, the plaza welcomes everyone. At its center, Dr. Jose Rizal stands as reminder of courage and hope. Lastly, virtues that continue to guide Malaybalay's people.
At the city center rises the San Isidro Cathedral, a place of peace and faith. Its timeless walls have witnessed generations come to pray, reflect, and find strength.